So here is the quest system for DayZ. This is the first quest you get when you join the server. You can take it and see the notification. Go to Sidorovich. So let's get to him. The quest. You can see the square brackets surrounded text, and the green one means that the green means that the quest is complete, and if it's on top it means you can complete it at this quest giver. You can complete and you get the reward. Yes, I got the pants and some rifle. You also access the new quests because these quests have pre-quest of the first one, so you can take them. Yes, you can see the active quests are under the label, and here is the progression of the actual goals for the quest. The only problem at the moment is that the quantity of items is tied to the maximum of the quantity, and I need to make a condition. If the item has quantity, it needs the full amount of quantity, because right now you have 99% of iodine tincture, and if you complete the quest it will take just 1 unit. Go to barman and talk to him about the... So yeah, you can see active quests and welcome to the zone, complete. You have quest 3 and explore quest. Different types of quests have different icons. If you press L, you show the quest log for yourself. The player quest log also displays this quest, which is the new quest for the player if you complete the first one. It's something like you can configure whatever you need. You can take this quest. You can see the square brackets quest is because I can complete the quest on myself. It's like a crafting quest, and if you get a large stone you can craft the stone knife. Explore quests are the quest tied to a trigger. The location trigger is spawned when a first player take this quest. If the player has quest active, it will spawn the trigger on the server. When I abandon this quest, it will remove the trigger from the server. If there is another player who has this quest and he is active, it will not despawn the trigger. So the triggers are active and spawned only when minimal 1 player has the quest. This quest has a trigger somewhere over here. Yes, and you see the notification quest updated. So now when I take a look, explore quest is complete. Can get back, but this guy explore quest doesn't take this quest. It's tied to Sidorovich, I think. No, so it's to Lesnik. Yes, and you can see more available quests. This guy has a repeatable quests. There are 3 types at the moment. Like, it's up to the configuration. You can set amount of hours when the quest is ready to take again. I can take this quest and I can just complete it because it's immediate quest which can be completed. So welcome to the zone, talk to, complete, explore, complete. We see reward, received bandage, complete. I got some box of ammunition. Yes, and there is one more thing, and that's this item. You can set the quest givers to whatever object in the game, so you can make a new override for a particular model in the game and make your new class name, and you will put just a giver ID to the object. If I open the quest, you can see there are multiple quests available. You can again set the chain quest, whatever. You can like take the quest, but this quest giver also have the taker ID, which is like the final object where you can complete the quest. So that's it, and if I go to a config file, yes, you can see the VS Code quest JSON. Okay, now you can see the config file. The quest JSON is the main source of information for the quest configuration. So you can see this file has two sections: quests and quest givers. Quests are basically just a definition of the quest. You can see the repeat duration hours for the repeatable quest. That means how many hours need to expire until you can take the quest again. And here the quest givers are the, like, I have those objects or like IDs. The ID player is the player quest log. So if you put quests here, these quests will appear in the player quest log. You can also set the preconditions to the quest, so you don't see the quest at the beginning, only after certain condition is passed. And from the config cpp, yes, this is the configuration for the quest givers. You can like have, I'm using SFP mode just for showcase because I don't have my own models and these are quite fine. You can see that I have this quest dummy base which has house node destruct, and you can make your own overrides for your particular objects and just give them this giver ID, and it will automatically adds the action to the object, so you can interact with that and take the quest. And these IDs are basically these quest givers. So that's that's it. Yes, and there are also kill quests, but I don't have any kill quest at the moment. So that's it.